Have you ever looked at an empty glass bottle and wondered what happens after you throw it into a recycling bin? Most people think it's simply melted down and made into another bottle, but the real process is far more incredible. Every single day, millions of glass bottles travel through giant factories filled with crushing machines, blazing furnaces hotter than lava, and high-speed production lines that create thousands of brand new bottles every hour. The transformation is one of the most satisfying industrial processes in the world. It all begins long before the factory. Across the United States, recycling trucks collect millions of used glass bottles from homes, restaurants, hotels, bars, and supermarkets every single day. The bottles are transported to massive recycling centers, where mountains of green, brown, and clear glass stretch across huge industrial yards. It's an incredible sight that most people never get to see. Here's something amazing. Unlike plastic, glass can be recycled again and again without losing its quality or purity. That means the bottle you recycle today could return to a store shelf as a brand new bottle just weeks later. Inside the recycling facility, giant conveyor belts carry thousands of bottles every minute. Powerful automated sorting systems separate the glass by color, because clear, green, and brown glass must be processed separately. Advanced optical scanners inspect every bottle in milliseconds. Compressed air jets instantly remove unwanted materials like plastic, paper, and aluminum caps. Workers inspect anything the machines cannot safely identify. Now comes one of the most satisfying moments in the entire factory. The perfectly sorted glass moves into gigantic industrial crushers. Powerful steel hammers smash thousands of bottles into tiny pieces called cullet within seconds. The crushing process creates millions of sparkling glass fragments that move rapidly across vibrating conveyor belts. Before melting begins, the cullet passes through advanced cleaning systems. Powerful magnets remove hidden metal pieces. Air separators remove lightweight paper and plastic. Everything is cleaned until only pure glass remains. Here's another incredible fact. Using recycled glass instead of raw materials reduces energy consumption and helps giant furnaces melt glass much faster. Now the real transformation begins. The clean cullet enters enormous furnaces operating at temperatures above 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit. Inside, millions of tiny glass pieces slowly melt into glowing rivers of bright orange liquid glass. The heat is so intense that it can melt solid glass into a perfectly smooth liquid ready for manufacturing. The glowing molten glass flows through precision channels towards automated bottle-forming machines. Each machine carefully measures the exact amount of molten glass before dropping it into heavy steel molds. Powerful compressed air instantly shapes the glowing glass into perfect bottles in just a few seconds. Watching hundreds of glowing bottles being formed every minute is truly incredible. But the bottles are still extremely hot. They move into a long cooling tunnel called an annealing layer. The temperature is reduced slowly and carefully to prevent cracks and make every bottle strong enough for everyday use. Without this step, the glass could easily break. Next comes one of the most important stages. High-speed inspection machines use cameras, lasers, and precision sensors to check every bottle for tiny cracks, bubbles, or shape defects. If even the slightest flaw is detected, the bottle is automatically removed and recycled again. Only perfect bottles continue to the final stage. Here's something most people never realize. Some modern factories produce more than 1 million glass bottles every single day. That's enough to fill thousands of supermarket shelves every 24 hours. Finally, robotic systems stack the finished bottles onto giant pallets before shipping them to beverage companies around the world. Within days, those same bottles are filled with water, juice, soda, or other drinks and returned to store shelves. It's incredible to think that a bottle thrown into a recycling bin today can begin an amazing journey through giant crushing machines, blazing furnaces, and advanced factories before becoming a brand new bottle all over again. Now here's a question for you. Did you know glass can be recycled endlessly without losing its quality? Leave your answer in the comments. And if you enjoy giant factory machines,
satisfying industrial processes, and discovery-style documentaries revealing how everyday products are made. Subscribe for more amazing factory videos every week.